To order a new card on Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the bottom of the screen where you will see a series of icons. Tap on the card icon, which is typically located on the bottom left corner of the screen. On the next screen, you will see an image of your current card. If you do not have a card yet, you will see an option to get a card. Tap on this option to proceed with ordering a new card. You will then be prompted to verify your identity by providing your name, date of birth, and social security number. After verifying your identity, you will be asked to provide your mailing address where the card will be sent. Make sure to enter the correct address to avoid any delays or issues with receiving your card. You will also have the option to choose the design of your card. You can choose from a variety of designs or stick with the default design. Once you have completed all the steps, review your information to ensure everything is correct. If everything is in order, tap the Confirm button to submit your request for a new card. Your new card will be shipped to you within 7 to 10 business days. It is essential to note that you must be at least 18 years old to order a card on Cash App. Additionally, you must have a verified account to be eligible for a card. If you have any issues or concerns during the ordering process, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. In conclusion, ordering a new card on Cash App is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily get a new card and start using it for your transactions. Remember to always keep your account and card information secure to avoid any potential risks or issues.